A very good day to Miss Azarina. Today I'm going to present on the case study. First of all, I'm going to talk about foundation. Foundation is the base on which a building rests and to safely transfer the loads of a building to a suitable site. Next, for the types of foundation can be divided into two categories which are shallow foundations and deep foundations. Shallow foundations can meet in depth of as little as 3 feet and this foundation usually used for small and light building. Then, for deep foundation can be made in depth of 60 to 200 feet and it usually used for large and heavy building. There are four types of shallow foundation. The first one will be the individual footing. Individual footing also have three types, which are pad footing, step footing, slope footing. Individual footing is one of the most simple and common types of foundations. The shape of foundations is the rectangular and square. The size of the footing is calculated by the engineers. Second will be the strip footing. This footing commonly used in the load-bearing masonry constructions. These are used when the building loads are carried by the entire wall rather than isolated column. Third will be the mat foundation. Mat foundations are the type of foundation which are spread across the entire area of the building to support high structural loads. This is used to prevent differences settlements of individual footing. The last will be the combined footing. This is constructed when two or more columns are close enough and their isolated footing is overlap each other. It is a combination of isolated footing but the structural design difference and the shape of this footing is rectangular. This foundation should not use where the groundwater is above the bearing surface of the soil. For the deep foundation, this foundation is divided into two parts which are pound foundations and drill foundation. Pound foundation basically is a long cylinder of strong material such as concrete. It is pushed into a ground so that structures can be supported. Pound foundations are used where when there is a layer of weak soil at the surface as you can see in this picture that the low density layer cannot support the weight of the building so the load of the building have to bypass this layer and transfer to the high density layer. Pound foundation is used for high-rise building. Next will be the drill foundation. Drill foundation has similar action with the pound foundation, but are high capacity cast in steel foundation. Drill foundation can transfer column loads larger than pound foundation. Moving on, I will going to explain about staircase. The function of the staircase is to provide circulations and communication between various levels within a building. There's few technical terms of staircase that we need to know are step, track, riser, going, landing, nosing, spring, newer post, baluster, handrail, headrooms. For the types of staircase, there are three types. First will be the straight staircase. This type of staircase are running continuous throughout their entire length in one direction only, and it used for small house. Then will be the quarter turns staircase. This staircase turning out one right angles is called L-shaped staircase. The next will be the three-quarter turn staircase, which is three right angles. This type of staircase used when the length of the staircase is limited. Next will be the half-turn staircase. It's also divided into two parts, which is douglacious and well open. For the continuous stair will be the circular, curved, and spiral staircase. Thank you.